welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some VADA PAV, which is a Indian potato sandwich. It's like a nice fluffy little bun with like a deep fried potato ball inside, and it has a lush like tamarind sauce and a like fresh minty green sauce as well. So that's what we're going to be making today. I've not had this in a long time, so I thought I'd just show you how to make it. So it's served with tamarind sauce, and then we're going to serve it with a nice fresh green chutney, and we've got some nice fluffy buns going over here as well. So if that sounds interesting, let's go. Okay, to make the green chutney, we're going to use a combination of coriander, flat leaf parsley, and some mint. And then also we're going to blend that up with some ginger and garlic, loosen it up with a bit of olive oil, add a splash of lemon juice in there as well, and then maybe a little bit of yogurt, but I'm not too sure about that yet. So here you can see I'm just going to make the tamarind sauce. So we're going to use a pre-made tamarind sauce because I don't have access to fresh tamarind. We're going to use a little bit of dark brown sugar, a little bit of cumin, and some garam masala as well. And then so that will sweeten it up and just balance the flavors out. So here I just have that the Maggie's tamarind sauce, and then I'm just going to let that cook down on a low heat for about half an hour until it's nice and thick and sticky. Okay, so my tamarind sauce is finished now. It's been about 25-30 minutes now. So it's just here cooling down on the side, and then we'll put it in one of these bottles. Okay, so my potatoes have just finished boiling. Here you can see they're nice, just cooked, nice and mushy. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've cooked the potatoes down in the turmeric, cumin, and ginger and garlic mixture, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make it extra smooth by pushing it through a sieve, just to get that extra smooth texture. And they're going in the fridge for now. Okay, so the bread rolls, they've been proving for about 2 hours now, so here they are. There we go, super soft. And they're going in the oven now for around 25 minutes at 180 degrees, gas mark 4, for around, did I say 25? I said 25 minutes. Just before they go in the oven, I'm going to brush them with a little bit of milk, and then once they come out we can brush them with a little bit of melted butter. So we've got the bread rolls over here. We've got the potato balls, the VADA, we've got the green chutney, and we've got the tamarind sauce as well. So now all we need to do is fry these bad boys. And then once we've done that, we can start assembling the sandwich. Okay, so to make the green chutney, we're going to be using a combination of flat leaf. They're nice, just cooked, nice and mushy.